Welcome back. It's such a beautiful day today. The weather is just beautiful. It's still cold. But it makes me long for springtime. And in springtime around where I live, there are beautiful wildflowers. My property is just covered with all kinds of beautiful wildflowers. And I can't wait till I get to see those again. So my next project is not going to involve any sawdust. It's just going to be the painting, the brush strokes. I love watercolor. That's my first love. I love watercolor. And so I'm going to be doing a few simple watercolors of my favorite wildflowers to frame and put into my home. The first one is going to be my very favorite wildflower, which is red clover. Our fields are covered in it in early May, and it is just breathtaking. So I'm going to just do a simple a few stems of it on a white background, just really simple, but very detailed and lots of color. I'm so excited. I wanted to show y'all this book. I've always loved wildflowers, and I purchased this book when I was quite young, not ever dreaming that I'd live in a place that had such beautiful wildflowers. And now I can go through it and see that many of these flowers are where I live. And I'm so excited to be able to paint some of them out for you today. So follow me as I show you how to paint wildflowers in watercolor.
Alright, so I'm about to get started in drawing it out. I've got 4 different pictures to help me get ideas for my painting. I'm going to take bits and pieces from each one. The red clover that I want to paint is actually called crimson clover. It's the one on the bottom. It's a little bit taller and darker red. Alright, so I've got it all drawn out. Brush is in the way. And I'm getting ready to start painting. These are the paints that I have on my palette. I'm not going to use all of these, but just in case you're wondering what I'm using. That's what's on my palette. It's a mess. And since this is so detailed and small, I am definitely going to be using a small brush. I don't have anything special. It's just a cheap craft brush, but I love the point on it, so I keep on using it. So let's get started painting.
I love how it turned out. It's just perfect. It shows everything that I love about the red clover. I love the deep red color, and I just love it. And it's always got bees on it, so I thought that was important to include. So my plan is to frame it really simple, maybe a white mat, and I want to repurpose old frames, maybe from the thrift store. I'm going to do 2 pictures. I'm going to do this one, and then I want to do maybe some black-eyed Susan maybe, and I'm going to frame them similar with the same mat. That's my plan anyway. So that will be another video, another time. But thank you so much for joining me. I'm so excited to share with you like I said, it's one of my, I love watercolor. It's one of my favorite, it is my favorite way to paint. And thank you for joining me, and please like and subscribe and share the video so more people can see it. Thank you so much for joining me. See you next time.